All right, it's just about 10 or just a minute after 10, so please go grab some snacks if you may and be ready. More stories after this break. Welcome back. Now, when does the quest for justice cross the line into tragedy? That question hangs heavy over Amassoma, Bayelsa State, after a 24-year-old Patrick Peresuodei reportedly died from torture, allegedly involving both a civilian and security personnel. Residents, human rights groups, and indeed the state government are all demanding accountability. Our correspondent Ibinimi Zimitiola has been following this story for us on Newsline.
What began as a disagreement on social media has ended in tragedy. 24-year-old Patrick Peresuodei, an indigene of Amassoma in southern Ijaw local government area of Bayelsa State, lost his life under unusual circumstances. Patrick was reportedly taken from his home in the early hours of January 15, 2026, allegedly by a prime suspect now on the run with the aid of some personnel of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC. Family sources alleged he was subjected to severe maltreatment for several days before being handed over to the police. He was later released from police custody to seek medical care. But sadly, Patrick died while receiving treatment at the hospital. A young life cut short, leaving a grieving family and a community demanding answers. Civil society groups, the acting paramount ruler of Amassoma, and the Bayelsa State government are all calling on the police to ensure that everyone involved is held accountable.
We have always maintained peace, law and order. That count our youth. That count those who have been so aggrieved, even the families.
As far as I'm concerned, his fundamental human right has been breached, right to life. If you want to arrest, you do your arrest and take the person to the station. And again, you don't obtain somebody's statement under duress. The law do not permit you to start giving somebody inhuman treatment. You beat him to the extent of he went into coma. No law permits that in any way.
I have equally also directed the Honorable Attorney General to go into the matter because it is a case of murder. And when once it is a case of murder, it is indeed against the state. So it will be the state versus any other person who, after investigations, will be prosecuted.
In the meantime, Bayelsa State Police Command says it has begun investigations with the arrest of 4 NSCDC personnel, while efforts are ongoing to apprehend the prime suspect. In a statement, the police public relations officer, DSP Musa Mohammed, disclosed that the State Criminal Investigation Department is also questioning officers attached to the Operation Restore Peace, Operation Puff Adder, where the deceased was previously held.